Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hi everyone, here we shine the spotlight on one of the most respected names in Philippine politics, Senator Chis Escudero. From his early days in public service to his most recent stance on national issues, we'll break it all down, facts, insight, and everything in between. If you're passionate about leadership, governance, or just curious about what makes Chis stand out, you're in the right place. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Francis Chis Escudero is a prominent Filipino politician and legal expert who has played a vital role in the country's legislative and local governance for over 2 decades. A consistent top-notcher in national elections, Escudero is recognized for his commitment to transparency, good governance, and reforms in law, education, and agriculture. Born on Manila on October 10, 1969, Escudero hails from a political family in the province of Sorsogon. His father, the late Salvador Sonny Escudero III, served in several government roles, including Agriculture Minister and Sorsogon Representative. Ang kanyang ina, si Dr. Evelina Guevara Escudero, ay isa ring kinatawan sa Kongreso. Nagmula siya sa isang angkan ng mga lingkod bayan na nagsimula pa noong bahagi ng ika-20 siglo. Ang kanyang lolo sa tuhod ay isang pinunong gerilya noong panahon ng pananakop ng mga Hapones sa ikalawang digmaang pandaigdig. Escudero is a product of the University of the Philippines system, having completed all his education there from kindergarten through law school. His academic achievements include Bachelor of Arts in Political Science in UP Diliman in 1989, Bachelor of Laws in UP College of Law in 1993, and Masters of Laws in International and Comparative Law in Georgetown University Law Center, Washington, D.C. in 1996. Sa UP, si Escudero ay isang honor student, debater, at kasapi ng Order of the Purple Feather, ang UP Law Honor Society. Siya rin ay naging miyembro ng Alpha Phi Beta Fraternity. Before entering public office, Escudero built a solid foundation in legal practice and education. Started as a junior associate at Bautista, Picazo, Boycotan, and Feather Law Office. Co-founded EMSAVIL Law in 1995. Served as a lecturer at UP College of Law and later taught at Ateneo de Manila University's Graduate School. He also served as a commander in the Philippine Navy Reserve starting in 2000 and was active in legal radio and TV programs aimed at public education. Francis Chis Escudero began his national political career as the representative of Sorsogon's 1st District, serving 3 consecutive terms from 1998 to 2007. Noong panahon niya sa mababang kapulungan ng Kongreso, humawak siya ng mahalagang posisyon sa pamunuan, kabilang ang Assistant Majority Floor Leader at House Minority Leader. Nakilala siya dahil sa kanyang malinaw at matalinong paninindigan sa mga pambansang isyu at sa maagang pagtutol niya sa Administrasyong Arroyo. In 2007, Escudero was elected to the Senate, where he consistently ranked among the top candidates, winning re-election in 2013 and again in 2022. In 2024, he was elected as Senate President. Over his Senate tenure, Escudero became known for his legislative productivity, having passed 273 laws and ensuring that all bills under his committees were given due hearing. His legislative agenda focused on good governance, justice, education, agriculture, and electoral reforms. From 2019 to 2022, he returned to local politics as governor of Sorsogon, where he spearheaded various development programs that significantly improved public services and infrastructure in the province. Prioritized health, infrastructure, tourism, disaster preparedness, and livelihood projects, significantly improving provincial development. In 2016, Francis Chis Escudero ran for Vice President of the Philippines as the running mate of Senator Grace Poe. Despite a strong campaign, he was not elected. Over the years, Escudero has received numerous awards and recognitions for his contributions to public service and leadership. In 2005, he was honored as one of the 10 outstanding young men for youth leadership. Noong 2007, kinilala siya bilang Asia's Idol ng Asian News Network. Sumunod na taon noong 2008, pinarangalan siya bilang Young Global Leader ng World Economic Forum dahil sa kanyang mga profesional na tagumpay at positibong epekto sa lipunan. Sa parehong taon, iginawad sa kanya ang anak TV Seal bilang Most Admired TV Personality. Noong 2012, tumanggap siya ng Rotary Golden Wheel Award para sa kanyang kontribusyon sa pamahalaang pampolitika at paggawa ng batas. Escudero married singer and stage actress Christine Elizabeth Flores in 1999 and had twin children, Kino and Chessie, in 2007. The couple separated in 2005 with a civil annulment granted in 2011. He was later married to actress and TV host Heart Evangelista in 2015. The couple renewed their vows in 2024. They have experienced pregnancy losses but remain publicly supportive of each other. Escudero is an admirer of the late actor Fernando Poe Jr., whose political ideals influenced him. He was occasionally being humorously compared to singer Bambo Manyalak due to their resemblance, a meme that gained traction online. Chis Escudero remains one of the most influential and respected public figures in Philippine politics. Known for his eloquence, legislative productivity, and firm stance in reforms, Escudero continues to play a crucial role in shaping national policy as Senate President and a senior lawmaker. His leadership reflects a blend of academic rigor, legal insight, and grassroots responsiveness, making him a key figure in contemporary Philippine governance. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Tudor Zeldin, a dream is what makes people love life even when it is painful. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Elise and Noel Durusan. Maraming salamat po. Special thanks to my source from Google, enwikipedia.org, chisescudero.com, photocredits2, alcatron.com, and inspirational quote credits to lifehack.org.